Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mukesh English. In this video, let's have a discussion of a very interesting TED Talk by a famous gardener, Guttikonda Madhavi. And the title is here, The Terrace Gardening. And Guttikonda Madhavi from Vishakhapatnam. She's very famous for her skill of terrace gardening. So let's know about her. The gardening guru. She's also called as a gardening guru, and she has her own YouTube channel, Mad Gardener. So I'm very lucky to say about another YouTuber. Being a YouTuber, I'm quite feel very fortunate to talk about another famous and successful YouTuber, Guttikonda Madhavi, who has YouTube channel Mad Gardener. She hails from Vishakhapatnam and she has earned more than 484k followers with the tips on organic farming, natural fertilizers, and terrace gardening. So she's known as Terrace Gardener as well as a Mad Gardener. So to begin with, in her speech, she says here, she's a homemaker turned YouTuber. She enjoys learning new things in her life, and gardening is something that excites her the most. She also loves to share her knowledge with everyone. You can look at the picture here, 6 lakhs subscriber. I too wish I should have also have. Okay, so let's have a discussion about her journey to become a gardener. She first started gardening with flowering and ornamental plants. After her house renovation, she tried growing leafy greens and vegetables. Her first harvest itself was successful and it inspired her to grow organic fresh food for her family. She experienced immense satisfaction and pleasure by growing her own food and cooking meals from homegrown food for her family. This heavenly feeling made her think about sharing her knowledge and experience with others as well. And with that thought, she started her own YouTube channel and she started to keep on growing with her skills on the terrace. Then, a variety on the terrace, which could be seen even from this picture as well. She gardens, Madhvi gardens on a 2-floor terrace garden, which is about 1,750 square feet. She grows more she grows many varieties of leafy vegetables like spinach, sorrel, amarnath, sorry, difficult to pronounce, amarnath, etc. And also vegetables like carrot, radish, brinjal, lady's finger, cucumber, etc. She even grows fruits, spices, herbs, flowers on her terrace. So her terrace is more than an agricultural field. Now she has faced a lot of challenges, and among so many challenges, the main challenge she says here, the main challenge with this terrace gardening is here transporting the containers, plants, soil, and gardening tools to her terrace on the 4th floor using the stairs. She doesn't have any lift on her house. So obviously she has to climb the stairs to reach the 4th floor and to carry and to transport the containers, plants, soil, and the other gardening tools. Moving up, she mentions about the methods, what methods she applies. Madhvi prepares and uses traditional Indian organic pesticides like Jiva Jiva Amrita. She even follows Korean natural farming methods. She controls pest with the organic pesticides which she prepares. So that's a method. Then seed, she also saves the seeds to keep moving on with the more number of crops. She collects and saves seeds in a seed bank. She even distributes them to her social media followers to encourage gardening. In the past couple of years, she has distributed over 20 varieties of seeds for free of cost to 1,000 plus gardening lovers. Interesting. She has not limited this knowledge to herself, right? She has she has transferred this knowledge to those who are gardening lovers, who are the emerging gardeners. And here we have come to know she has distributed over 20 varieties of seeds for free of cost to 1000 plus gardening lovers. Okay, now up next, so obviously, if she has done this much, so she deserves to get rewarded. So motivating others to do gardening makes her happy. She has been rewarded with immense love and gratitude from her YouTube followers for guiding them, not my YouTube followers. There's a spelling error here. From her YouTube followers for guiding them to grow on their own. So her YouTube followers, they rewarded her many times, started growing her own food, and experienced the pleasure of eating her own grown organic and tasty food. She also motivates and helps others to grow their food. So this is about a famous lady who is called as Mad Gardener and who is known for the terrace gardening, that is Madhavi. So dear friends, I have collected the whole script of this video from this source, human who grow food. So thank you so much, humans who grow food, the website developer and the content writer who has given a very nice information. So I would like to thank them. And dear viewers, thank you so much for watching this. And this video gives us a lot of message that we can also do the terrace gardening and we can also save the environment. So something is called charity begins from home, and this is a real example that here, if we really want to bring a welfare for the environment, we have to begin this new step, especially from our home. So thank you for watching this video. Click on the like button, write in the comment box, and if you're not subscribed my channel, please do it now immediately. Quick, click on subscribe. Thank you so much.